Spring is the season of renewal, making it the perfect time to refresh your home decor. As nature blooms with vibrant colors and fresh energy, your living space can reflect the same spirit of transformation. With floral accents, light colors, and natural materials, you can create a home that feels airy, inviting, and full of springtime charm. In this guide, we'll explore creative and simple ways to brighten up your home for spring, transforming every corner into a celebration of the season. Spring home decor starts with the right color palette. Light, pastel shades like soft pinks, mint green, sky blue, and buttery yellow evoke the freshness of the season. Pair these with neutral tones like white, beige, or light gray to create a clean and serene backdrop. Consider swapping out heavy, dark winter decor for lighter, brighter options. Replace dark throw pillows and blankets with pastel or floral patterned ones. Opt for sheer curtains instead of heavier drapes to let in more natural light, instantly brightening your space. Don't overlook your walls. Adding a fresh coat of paint in a spring-inspired shade or incorporating removable wallpaper with botanical designs can give your home an instant seasonal update. This soft, airy palette sets the tone for the rest of your spring decor. If these spring home decor ideas brought fresh inspiration to your space, give this video a thumbs up and share it with friends who love seasonal decorating. Spring wouldn't be complete without flowers and greenery. Bring the beauty of the season indoors with fresh bouquets, potted plants, or even faux floral arrangements. Tulips, daffodils, hyacinths, and cherry blossoms are classic springtime choices that add a touch of elegance to any room. Create a focal point in your living room or dining area with a stunning floral centerpiece. Use vases in pastel or clear glass to complement the flower's natural beauty. For smaller touches, place single stems in bud vases and scatter them throughout your home. Houseplants are another great way to add life to your space. Ferns, pothos, and peace lilies thrive indoors and contribute to a fresh, vibrant atmosphere. For a rustic touch, use woven baskets or terracotta pots as planters. Hanging plants like ivy or string of pearls can add vertical interest and a playful vibe. What's your favorite spring decor tips? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear how you're refreshing your home for the season. Spring decor is all about lightness, and your choice of fabrics and textures plays a big role in achieving this look. Swap out heavy materials like wool and velvet for lighter options like cotton, linen, or sheer fabrics. In the living room, drape a lightweight throw over your sofa and add cushions with floral or geometric patterns. In the bedroom, refresh your bedding with crisp white sheets, pastel duvet covers, and soft, breathable blankets. Layering textures adds depth to your decor. Mix materials like wrought tan, wicker, and jute for a natural, earthy feel. Incorporate these elements through furniture, rugs, or decorative accents like trays and baskets. This combination of light fabrics and natural textures creates a cozy yet refreshing ambience. For more seasonal home decor inspiration, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss a new video. The finishing touches of spring decor lie in the details. Add seasonal accents like ceramic bunnies, bird figurines, or butterfly motifs for a playful nod to spring. Decorative bowls filled with colorful eggs or fresh fruit can serve as simple yet impactful table centerpieces. Candles are another way to enhance your spring decor. Choose candles in fresh scents like lavender, citrus, or jasmine to fill your home with the aroma of the season. Display them in decorative holders that match your spring theme. Wreaths aren't just for the holidays, they can also add charm to your home in spring. A floral or greenery wreath on your front door sets a cheerful tone for visitors. For an indoor touch, hang a smaller wreath on a mirror or above a mantel. Don't forget your outdoor spaces. Add string lights, lanterns, or outdoor rugs to your patio or balcony. Arrange potted flowers around your seating area to extend the spring vibe outside. These simple updates make your home feel cohesive and ready for the season. Check out our seasonal decor playlist for even more ideas to brighten your home, from spring centerpieces to floral accents and beyond. Spring is a season of transformation, and your home is the perfect place to reflect that change. It's a time to let go of the heavier tones and textures of winter and embrace light, vibrant, and fresh decor that brings the essence of the outdoors inside. Every piece of decor you add, from floral arrangements to pastel accents, tells the story of renewal, growth, and optimism that defines spring. Decorating your home for spring isn't just about aesthetics, it's about creating a space that feels alive. It's about filling your rooms with the colors and textures of the season, whether that's through fresh flowers, breezy fabrics, or thoughtfully chosen decorative accents. This seasonal refresh can transform your home into a sanctuary that energizes and inspires you. The beauty of spring decor lies in its versatility. You can go bold with vibrant floral prints and bright colors, or keep things subtle with soft pastels and natural textures. No matter your style, spring decor invites you to experiment and find what resonates with you. It's a chance to explore new ideas and infuse your space with personality. Floral arrangements are a hallmark of spring decor. Whether you prefer the simplicity of a single stem in a bud vase or the drama of a lush centerpiece, flowers bring life and energy into your home. The soft scent of fresh blooms, combined with their vibrant colors, creates a sensory experience that's hard to replicate with other decor. Spring is also about embracing nature in all its forms. Incorporating greenery, whether through potted plants, hanging vines, or simple garlands, connects your home to the outdoors. These touches remind us of the renewal happening all around us, adding a sense of calm and balance to your space. Textures and fabrics play a significant role in creating a springtime feel. Lightweight materials like linen, cotton, and jute replace the heavier fabrics of winter, bringing a sense of airiness and movement to your rooms. These textures, paired with natural materials like wood or wicker, create a harmonious and welcoming environment. Lighting is another key element of spring decor. Maximizing natural light by using sheer curtains or positioning mirrors strategically can make your space feel larger and brighter. In the evenings, soft, warm lighting from candles or string lights adds a cozy and magical touch to your home. Personal touches are what truly make spring decor special. A handmade wreath on your door, a vase of flowers from your garden, or even a bowl of colorful fruit on your kitchen counter reflects your connection to the season. These small but meaningful additions make your space feel authentic and uniquely yours. Spring home decor also invites us to celebrate the outdoors. A beautifully arranged porch, patio, or balcony extends the season's charm beyond your walls. By incorporating potted plants, outdoor rugs, or lanterns, you can create an inviting space where you can enjoy the beauty of spring from the comfort of your home. Want to recreate these spring decor looks? Find links to all the products and decor items featured in this video in the description below. The joy of spring decor is that it doesn't require a complete overhaul. Simple changes, like switching out throw pillows, adding a fresh bouquet, or introducing pastel accents, can make a significant impact. These small updates breathe new life into your space, making it feel refreshed and ready for the season ahead. There's something deeply uplifting about decorating for spring. The colors, the scents, and the textures all come together to create an environment that feels light and optimistic. This seasonal refresh is a reminder of nature's resilience and beauty, inspiring us to carry that same energy into our lives. Ultimately, spring home decor is about creating a space that brings you joy. It's about celebrating the season of growth and renewal by surrounding yourself with elements that feel vibrant and alive. Whether it's a cheerful wreath on your door or a cozy reading nook filled with sunlight and greenery, each touch contributes to the overall ambience of your home. Your spring decor doesn't have to be perfect to be beautiful. The charm of this season lies in its imperfections, the wild curve of a tulip stem, the natural textures of woven materials, or the playful mix of patterns and colors. These elements make your space feel real, lived in, and full of life. As you decorate your home for spring, take time to enjoy the process.